Dear students, today we will discuss about the construction of weighted index numbers. So, construction of weighted index numbers. Construction of weighted index numbers is also called weighted average or price relatives method. So, this method is also known as weighted average or price relatives methods. Now the question is that construct an index of prices using. So I will write down question. Construct an index of price using. Construct an index of prices using 1994 as the base year. So using 1994 as base year, we have to construct the weighted index number or say price relatives method. So construct an index of prices using 1994 as base year and price relatives methods and price relatives method. Now the question is like this: goods are given. Goods are A, B and C. Three goods are given. Now when there is weighted average or we have to construct weighted index numbers, then weights are also given. So weights of these goods are also given. Weights of these goods are: for A it is 5, for B it is 3 and for C it is 2. Now price in 1994. Now price in 1994 in rupees, it is price in 1994 is: for A it is rupees 10, for B it is rupees 5 and for C it is rupees 4. Now then price in 2004. Now base year is 1994 and we have to compare its prices with 2004. Now we will write down price in 2004 rupees. So it is 12 for commodity A, for B it is 6 and for C it is 5. So this is question. Now we have to construct weighted index number for this question. Now what is the method for construction of weighted index number? So we will solve this question, solution of this question. First of all, we will write down these goods in the same way that these are goods A, B and C. Now in second column their weights. Now these are then weights of the goods. Now the weights are 5, 3 and 2, 5, 3 and 2. Now in third column we write down price in 1994. So this is third column, price in 1994. So that is 10, 5 and 4. Now in fourth column we write down price in 2004, which we have to compare. Now price in 2004. So that is 12, 6, and for C it is 5 rupees 5. Now these prices are in rupees. Prices are always in rupees. Now after that we will take their price relative, that is R. So price relative R is equal to, so this R is equal to P1 divided by P0. P1 divided by P0 multiplied by 100. Now what is this P1 and what is this P0? Now earlier we have also solved some questions by this price relative method. This P0 is price in base year, that is price in 1994 will be marked as P0, and P1 is price in current year, so that is 2004, so that is P1. So we will write down P0 in price 94 and P1 that is price in 2004. So that is P1 and P0. So R is equal to P1 divided by P0 and multiplied by 100. So P1 here it is 12 multiplied P0 that is 10 and 12 divided by 10 and multiplied by 100. So that will be, common factors will cancel out, we will get 120. Now then for command TB it is 6 upon 5 because price in 2004 is 6 and price in 1994 is 5, so 6 divided by 5 and multiplied by 100. So when 600 is multiplied by 5, we will get 600 divided by 5. 5 1 is 5, then 10, 5 2 is 10, so we get 120. So that is also 120. 6 divided by 5 multiplied by 100 is also 120. So then 5 divided by 4 and multiplied by 100. So that is 500 divided by 4. So when 500 is divided by 4, we get 125. So we get these price relative R is equal to 120, 120 and 125. Now this price relative R is multiplied with weight, that is W. W means weight. So this R is multiplied by W. So we get RW in this column. Now what is this RW? R is 120 and W is 5. So we get 120 into 5. That is 500, 5 2s 10 0, 1 will be carried, 5 1 is 5 and 1 6. So we get 600. Then for command TB it is now 120 multiplied by 3, that is now 30032 6 3 1 is 3 is 360. Then 125 multiplied by W, that is 2. So we get that 125 into 2 is 250. So this is product RW. Now after obtaining this RW, we sum up it, that is sigma RW. Now what is equal to sigma RW? That is now 600 plus 360 plus 250, that will be equal to 0, and 10 is place, 6 plus 5 is 11, 1. Now 1 will be carried, 6 and 1 7 3 10, 10 and 2 12. So we get 1210. Now after that summation of weights, that is sigma W. Now sigma W is equal to 10. So therefore weighted index number P01 is equal to sigma RW divided by sigma W. So this is formula for calculation of weighted index number. So we get it equal to 1210 divided by 10. So that is equal to 121. So hence the weighted index number or price relative, by price relative method the index number is equal to 121. So this is how we construct weighted index number. So this is how we construct weighted index number. So if you have any confusion, you should call me on my personal number. I will clear that confusion. This is, I think, easy to understand how we construct weighted index number. So okay, goodbye.